Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Somebody say update. Somebody say update. YouTube just released two features that is going to change the game for most content creators here on YouTube, especially small YouTubers. So if you know getting monetized is your goal in 2026, this video is for you because in this video I'm going to be exposing these two features that YouTube has released on their platform. And the amazing part, most of us don't know about this feature. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing these features with you guys. Some of you might have seen this feature and you're just ignoring this feature. This feature could actually be the reason why your YouTube views is not progressing. So let me go straight into the video. Before then, if you're seeing my face for the first time on your screen, like this video. Make sure you like this video. Let me give you 2 seconds. Like this video. Thank you. Now subscribe to this channel because on this space we grow together and we keep it real. So whenever I make videos, you get notified. So let me just take you guys straight into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys directly from my YouTube app. I'm going to show you these two features that will change everything for your YouTube game. See, if you have any friend who is yet to see this video, make sure you share this video. Share because this one is quite amazing. So guys, let's go through these features together. So I'm with my smartphone, so I want you to go to your YouTube app. Okay, so you can access these features directly from your YouTube app. So you click on the right hand icon, so you click on your channel, so you view your channel. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, you're going to go to a video. It could be any video on your channel. Okay, so let's use one of my popular video, and you guys know the popular video on this channel. Guys, if you're yet to see this video I'm about to show you, you need to go watch that video because a lot of people have sent in messages on how this particular video right here has helped them. And guess what, guys, this video is 64,000 views and still counting. So let's click on the video. Now the purpose is not to watch this video. Follow me, don't be in a hurry. Follow me, let's go through this together. So as you can see, guys, this is the video. So I'm not trying to watch this video as it is right now. Okay, so I want you to swipe to the right hand side. Now you can see this first feature here saying promote. Hold on, we're going to come to this, but I want you to see this feature. The first feature I want you guys to look at, you see this star sign here. I don't know, is it a star sign or what is it? Click on it. If you click on the star sign, now what is this star sign all about? This is YouTube AI summary feature. This AI summary feature will help you to analyze your video from beginning to the end. Now I'm going to be telling you guys why this feature is amazing and why you need to utilize it now that YouTube has made it available. Now if you read through this feature, it says, hello, curious about what you're watching, I'm here to help. Not sure what to ask, choose something. So this is just like, I don't know if some of you are familiar with ChatGPT. This AI is going to tell you about your video. Now you can see here it says summarize the video, recommend related content. So if I'm a viewer and I'm seeing your channel, I'm trying to watch your video, if I don't have the time to go through your video, I can just tell this AI summarize the video for me, recommend related content. Now why is this feature important? Let's talk about it. Guys, you need to start making your content clear and precise. You see, the first 30 seconds of your video, I keep telling creators, first 30 seconds of your videos matters a lot. You need to go straight to the point. You may not expose everything you want to say in your video in your first 30 seconds, but you see, carrying your audience along, letting them know where you're going, you are also carrying the AI along. Now if your video is not explainable, if AI cannot understand your video, see, that could be the reason why your videos are not doing well. So I want you guys to go to your app right away. Go and check your AI summary feature. Go and see if AI is understanding your content properly. If the YouTube AI is understanding your content properly, just know you're on the right track. But if you click on the AI summary feature, the YouTube AI cannot summarize your video. There is a problem. That is to say your video is not even clear. And this could actually be why your views are dropping. So what can you do now? Take your time to script your videos. Take your time to rehearse your video. Go straight to the point. You see, for creators who make videos that are not related to what their title is talking about, this one is going to be a problem. So now, your thumbnail, your title, your video content, they all need to relate. So the AI feature can actually summarize your content correctly. And this have a very good chance of giving your videos growth. I don't know if you've come across videos where you see an automatic summary. That is because these creators have been able to deliver their content correctly. It may not be the most perfect video, but guys, you need to make your videos clear. Let AI, let YouTube AI be able to read your video before you talk about your audience. If the YouTube AI cannot understand your video, I wonder if human will understand. So this feature is very, very important. Now the second feature is really good. Before I show you guys the second feature, if you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Now this second feature, I'm going to talk about it for most creators who are really trying to get visibility on their channel. And I'm going to tell you the reason why you need to do this. If your channel has been down for a very long time, you've been struggling so hard to get visibility, this feature will work perfectly. But if you're on track, you're getting retention, you're getting engagement, you may not need to worry much about this feature, which I'm going to be showing you guys next. So let's just go into the second feature. I hope I'm even making sense. Tell me if I'm making sense. Let me know in the comment section. You all know I love to carry you guys along. Okay, so let's go to the second feature. So let's see. Now you can see this feature here with promote. You see this feature, promote. This feature is amazing. Now this is how you can use this feature. If you know your channel has not been getting the visibility you deserve, you are free to use the promote feature. But now this is the disadvantage. Any watch time you get from the promote feature, any views you get will not count towards monetization. What this will help you to do, it will expose your channel to a larger audience. Now these people that will come into your channel, they will go further to watch more videos on your channel. Now those videos they are going to watch, that's the videos you did not promote, the watch time is going to count for you. Mind you, before you promote a video, make sure it is your best performing video, the best video you've made on your channel, because first impression matters a lot. Because if people come to your channel and they are not impressed with what they see, they wouldn't want to watch more. It happens to all creators. If you have any performing video that is doing very well, or if you don't have, create one and promote. I think YouTube will charge. I think they charge for it, but I don't know, I'm not so set. Now you can promote your video. I think they have a little charge for that. So once you promote your video, you will have the opportunity to reach a wider audience. So this feature is a very good one to try if you really want to get visibility, you want your videos to reach a wider audience, right? So tell me what you think about these features. If you're going to be trying these features on your channel, especially that summary feature, you need to utilize it. You need to start making use of it. Always make sure you're able to summarize your video. Like, go through and see if the AI is able to summarize your video. This will keep you in check. This will help you to create better content. This will give you clarity on your channel. So tell me what you think in the comment section if you're going to utilize these features. And if you're yet to see this video right here, I spoke about 3 features that are doing amazing to a lot of creators, especially small YouTubers. Go watch this video and tell me what you guys think. You know how we do it, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.